Hello mga ka-Skin Salvation! So, ginagawa ko ngayon ay facial treatment. So, may dalawang client po tayo today sa pag-facial. So, mamadaliin na lang natin. So, I'll give the 4 benefits of why we getting a monthly facial. So, una po sa lahat is increased circulation. Why is it increased circulation? So, it helps to renew skin cells by circulating the blood flow under the skin. So, mas maganda talaga kung magpa-facial tayo because it helps also to increase our circulation. So, kung may good circulation po tayo, nag-help po ito na mag-bring sang oxygen, proteins, and nutrients or nutrition to the skin. So, second is deep cleansing. So, mas okay po kung pupunta tayo sa mga facial aesthetic kasi it helps to deep cleanse the face. So, kahit ano pa yung ginagawa nating pag-cleanse sa face or yung everyday natin ginagawa sa pag-cleanse ng ating face, hindi siya enough. So, it helps to remove the built-up oil and dirt that everyday cleanser. So, the bacteria derived by the oil and dirt are also removed. So, leaving you with a healthy glowing skin. So, the third is anti-aging. So, bakit anti-aging naman siya? Because it increasing the circulation in your face. So, the cell turnover rate helps para mas slow down po yung aging process natin. So, kung magpa-monthly facial po tayo, nag-help din siya masistimulate yung collagen production at strengthening the muscles in your face. So, nag-help din siya na i-minimize yung mga fine lines and wrinkles and gaining soft and smoother skin. So, collagen is naturally produced talaga sa atin. But, unfortunately, starts to decline at about age 25. Kaya, pinopromote talaga namin na mag-i-intake ng collagen para ma-help naman natin to increase our collagen production. So, and then the fourth is relaxation. So, bakit relaxation? Because kung magpa-monthly facial tayo, hindi lang po ang facial natin or ang face natin ang relax, pati naman din ang ating mind. So, facials allow you to focus on your breathing and regain your confidence in having healthy, beautiful skin. So, itong dalawang client namin today, masyadong relax talaga. Natutulog pa yan sila while fini-facial namin. So, sa ngayon ginagawa namin ngayon, nagmamassage or nagki-cleanse na kami, nag-scrubbing na kami, and then preparation for steaming. So, steaming, it also helps to deliver well the deep creams or toner na ilalagay natin. And it helps also to easy to mai-extract yung mga whiteheads and blackheads. So, ayan, nag-i-extract na po tayo ng mga blackheads and whiteheads. So, hindi po tayo nagpi-prick kung wala naman tayong ipi-prick na mga pimples or acne. So, ito na lang po sa ngayon. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. Sana po pupunta po kayo ng Skin Salvation Aesthetic and Training Center to avail our services. Bye-bye!